Hi, welcome back to Rapid 360. In this video, we are gonna learn masculine gender. So let's get started. Man, Purushan, Purushan. Pause the video and try yourself. Father, Pidavu. Also you could say Achan, Achan. Pause the video and try yourself. Son, Makan, Makan. Pause the video and try yourself. Boy, Balan, Balan. It's not Balan, it's Balan. You could also say Aankutti, Aankutti. Brother, Sahodaran, Sahodaran. Nephew, Anandaravan, Anandaravan. It's not Anandan, it's Anandaravan. Uncle, Ammavan, Ammavan. Bachelor, Avivahitan, Avivahitan. King, Rajavu, Rajavu. Gentleman, Manyan, Manyan. Monk, Sannyasi, Sannyasi. Wow, congratulations, you have completed the lesson. I appreciate you because it's one of the toughest languages in the world. Let me tell you one more thing. We have an app called Speak Malayalam 360. If you want to learn more lessons and words, visit the link or scan this QR code. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.